Le Henry Shefflin ar Asher an Stewart bhí na Shamrocga ar Asher le Ceannais Chainnigh ina going a bhí an arna chuir stoplo fefe trí Gaeil Loughlin. Gdí seo bhí ceirich le Ceannais imar chun ag chéile, as háchta an arn Buaicphointí. Cúcha bh carréamach an líana. Mach darmach donacha an trátrachta.
Tugad ó imar a Gaeil Loughlin an seo agus Cardan Cosdúirtar sem sa Kilkenny mlína. Hugh Lawler captain, Mikey Butler, Paddy Deegan, Jordan Malloy. Jack Nolan agus gona sé lár na parca agus chun tosa bhfuil Fionn McAtee, Mark Bergen agus Conor Heary sin de Buaicphointí. Maidir le Shamrocga as Ballyhale, Wildtown Yart, Imróí ahananta achas seo. Ahrháin dentach an tagan Paddy Mullen isteach ná Evan Shefflin tin le Loughlin, Richie Reid, Joey Holden, tá Nurtin amrach achas seo agus fechanna tosa, Adrian Mullen ón Cody TJ Reid. Caite seach mar sin agus tús chortha le Cliffe Ceannais Kilkenny. Agus ag Lordainn na snúra seo agus ed. In the non-raw heavy more rowan nóidir an shot. So Conor Heary in lab Lochlainn. Lon Tosach Fortega agus tá Colin scorealte. So non McAtee. Father active in the park. What you Cody past Jasco Harai. A third free in shot. Ronan Corcoran agus he bolts a hauling Ronan Corcoran on score. Coram. Lana more father more tradiisiúnta Seachan sin smacht áling an Chainnigh McAtee Cossan McAtee hard tugan job win score sin Colin íontach ag Fionn McAtee TJ Reid mar sin buc slása agus TJ well feiceann mid dríocht an bhar seo inúir hen seamach ar bharc áling ar fad. Could in one in the fornia. Shamrocks not to reach and can't butcher's jack. Well felled into the Lochlainn to right. Sean chance to get that put on towards into Stephen Murphy. The chance to go on Cody. So much and Scohin, Visha Kroga, Honishamach, has just a was stop Chainnigh. Borodine Mason. Glas pagin níos dorchan am mar bhíon go hondúil an seo an chance is Dara Corcoran. For Ronan can níos luhan is tá can fáting Dara. Gur place gamach an trin. Orla go Jessic Luke Hogan. Hogan is seach sa spás. She says they're watching Mikey Butler, well, Mikey on scoral, no Pangandu Kilkenny, so she's on scoral, Conor Gaeil, come on, Maurice. Bocci Titchinish and Kanchan got to start hard Paddy Deegan. Rash. The Conor Heary, Branward's Brook, Conor Heary, Ord, Conor Heary, Traston. Watch it come Maurice, ní féidir seo scarad, cosúil. Glana mór mílteach fada. That's too Lynn Húl to glyfa seo. An cantar bar síste tá botún genta, tá Dara botún genta, bhfuil an tríú can genta, Chantar Cole. Cole scored ag ón Cody. Ach bhí 3 hands. Ag na Gaeil sinna Glana. Nis an over and can sinna chrothó sin ag Niall Shortall. Paddy Deegan goal sheer, tá sí fáitigh Paddy, Gólan fáitigh Paddy, tá Shelf Cáilte aige. Gur machchan sin na seo an chances í Niall Shortall sin le fear chrothán Cole is inis tá Cole in Niall Shortall. Agus tá sí tarrant low. Henry Kurtzrohr. Tasta she's just a spás ach now on ach fair. Thing hands the glass. Con chances is Richie Reid, Lochlainn Richie na goalie, tá sé feicáil go minic a dhéanamh sin agus Richie Reid har a trasnán agus rihan Lochlainn na Shamrocga faoi láthair. Dordan is agus tá Prishto. Na Gaeil tarrant corman seo tar le tó mór an tá dintach go hen. That TJ Reid Brennan TJ a goal, Oslin TJ and the goalie, agus squealing Ceannais. Master among the Kerda. Her Tivlina. Exact man. Nori Chokor Anna Gaeil. Kid Bully Kevian off the one. Agus that Corta Jarragaton sponsor. Conor Kelly. Corta Jarragar third. Where they don't come down as your fad. Don't go Gaeil and chop. Skillalling at TJ Reid, Lehelo, TJ Rano, Agus Coolin Elefos and TJ Reid. Hatcha gun the meal to Coolin if watching a versa. Oh, say, come on, yeah. Now, dog, you're not straight there. It was a reached Ella. The Shamrocks and Wachter the Kilkenny. Creevis Fiki Butakanish, Nismuna, Ain, Club Ella.
Yeah, Henry's back and was brought back to base of the club. Remind us what the Shamrocks, what the crest is all about, what we represent, who we represent, and why we do it. So we knew we had to improve, to come back hungrier, stronger and better than ever. And yeah, look, after the bit of a gap, the bit of an absence, the hunger was right and truly back. We're going to really enjoy this week. And then, yeah, preparation, whether it's Thursday night, Saturday, we're going to get back on the horse and full throttle ahead. The hard work is done, the real crafting is done. Now it's just about maybe enjoying it and see where the journey takes us.